Hey guys, welcome to my channel. This is Shirani. Today I have an easy one for you. I'm going to show you how I make my deviled eggs. Okay, so for this recipe, I'm using 6 eggs and I took them straight out of the refrigerator and covered them with cold water, and I put just enough water in the pot to cover the eggs. I turned my stove on number 6, that's a little bit over medium, and I set my timer for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, it's going to look like this. It's starting to boil, and then I turn the stove off and remove it from the heat and set it aside for 10 more minutes. After the 10 minutes is up, I'm going to pour out the hot water and then add some cold water to the pot, just enough to cover the eggs again, just so they could cool down a couple minutes. I'm pouring out the water one more time and add some more cold water to the pot, and then I'm going to peel them. I like to peel them under running water, and if you follow this method, you're going to get perfect boiled eggs every time. They're going to be perfectly cooked and they will peel perfect for you. Look at that, look how perfect that is. There's nothing more satisfying than peeling an egg and it peels perfectly. Okay, now I'm going to cut the eggs in half and take out the yolks. Look at them, they're so yellow and so pretty. The mark of a good egg is when you cut them and the yolks are yellow. If you ever cut your eggs and you see that the yolks has that green ring around them, it's because you boil them too long. I don't think I've seen a deviled egg made the same. Everyone has their own little thing that they do to their eggs. Be careful when cutting your eggs in half, so if you're not used to this, don't cut it like me. I just do it in my hands, but I'm used to cutting things like that, so use something to cut it on. Don't cut yourself. Okay, now I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of butter to that, and I had it sitting out to soften at room temperature. I'm going to take my fork and mash it together. I like what the butter does to it. It just makes it extra creamy and good. I'm adding 1/8 teaspoon of salt to that, 1/8 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of yellow mustard, and 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise. Mix that really well. To make it all cute and pretty, I'm going to use a piping bag, but I want to show you the tip I'm using. The one in my left hand is what a regular tip looks like, and then the right, as you can see, that's a really big one. So I got it off of Amazon. I'm going to leave it linked below if you're interested. I mean, you don't have to use a piping bag, but I think it makes it extra sweet and special. And I just love anything that is cute. You can do this for Easter or anytime you want to impress your guests. They're gonna be saying, oh, I went to Shirani's house and oh my gosh, she had the cutest deviled eggs and they were so good. That's what I imagine they would say. These are just the cutest things. They just make me so happy. You know, sometimes it's just the little things. I really hope you give these a try because they're so simple and so good. And if you can go the extra mile and make them cute and pretty, do that. If you think these are cute and pretty, please give my video a thumbs up. Every thumbs up helps to get my videos out there. As always, thank you so much for watching. Thank you for subscribing. If you haven't subscribed yet, please don't forget to do that, and I'll talk to you in my next one. Take care. Bye.